Yo, it's good YouTube. So this video, we'll show you guys a package you guys should invest in. This is a CPN package. It has a 700 credit score, barely a 700 credit score, but this will help you get approved for apartments or a rental property. If you guys are looking to move into a new place, for a luxury apartment, for example, you guys can get approved easily. Make sure you guys apply online, submit the documents. I recommend you guys apply through Invitation Homes. Invitation Homes is actually one of the best places to apply for. I'll make a separate video on Invitation Homes, but from Invitation Homes, you only got to see, like the owners, because it's owned by a whole, company. So you guys can actually just go online, fill the documents, upload the documents, boom, get approved. Of course, you got to make a deposit. You got to do the security deposit, the first month's rent. There's plenty, around the area. Almost every state has it. Especially the main states. So if you live in the main states, you should have Invitation Homes. So you go to get a loan and get credit cards, but keep in mind, it's very limited. You can only get approved for a certain amount. So for the credit card approvals, expect maximum 10,000, average 5K, 5 to 7K for the credit cards. You could apply for up to 5, but that would be the max. I wouldn't go over that. It don't got too many trade lines. I'm gonna show you guys right here. It got some revolver lines. It got an auto, a small auto. So about 2 years for the open trade lines, Bank of America. It shows you the approval rate. So of the 3 credit cards, 15K, in total loans up to 20K if you apply through multiple sources. Autos up to 30K approvals and apartments. So the autos you can get approved, but you have to make sure it's around 30K or lower. Preferably 20, 30 if you try and get a 0 down payment. It only has a 25K auto, so keep in mind you can't go anything too crazy. If you do try to get a car that's 50K, you can get it with a low down payment. So you might have to put in like 5 or 3K down to get the car. But if you're fine with that, you can just cash out a credit card or use a loan to get the car from the dealership or online. But because you guys can see it's updated today, it has a 700, even though it's credit score and Experian. This will be enough for you to get approved for certain stuff. And this one, I applied for my client. He got approved for a, American Express green card. Limits 8K. I was surprised he got approved for that much. I was expecting 5,000, but 8,000 good. And this is the info on the card. You can go through AmericanExpress.com. It shows you the APRs. It shows you the 3 times points. You get travel points. You get, restaurant points every time you go out. And after you spend 3,000, you get 40,000 points. And 40,000 points, I believe, might be a few hundred, up to 1,000, I think. I'm not sure. But it's a good card. It's an easy card to apply for using a CPN number. Will you get a gold card or a Amex? I don't recommend it. I recommend you guys get the blue cash or the lower cards under the gold. The gold card will be probably the maximum, but I wouldn't push it. I recommend you guys get the other packages, like the elite package for the platinum or the 800 credit score ones. I'm gonna leave them at the end of the video. But those are the ones you guys gotta get if you're trying to get higher limits. But if you guys are comfortable with the lower limits, but technically it's a lot of money still, but this package only literally, $349. So it's very affordable. If you guys get a paycheck, I recommend you guys invest in this or just save up for it. It's really good. I've used it many times. My class been buying it like crazy. You will get credit cards. My class are waiting for the credit cards in the mail, but I have talked about this in the previous videos. So I recommend you guys check out TryOnCPN.com. If you guys got any questions for me or need help, just text my number, subscribe, visit the websites in the description. I'll see you in the next video.